This is a special place, a factory where products related to Islam are carefully made with respect and dedication.
Every morning, workers arrive here with a sense of responsibility and purpose.
Morning, everyone.
Hi, John. Ready for the day?
You bet. Let's get to it.
Inside this building, different Islamic items are produced step by step. Before work begins, everyone prepares their stations and checks the equipment. One of the most important sections of this factory is the Quran printing department. Here, pages of the Holy Quran are printed with extreme care and precision. Each page is checked to make sure there are no mistakes. After printing, the pages are arranged in the correct order. Next, the pages are bound together to create a complete Quran. Every finished copy is handled with respect. In another part of the factory, beautiful prayer mats are being made. Threads move through machines to create detailed Islamic patterns.
Workers carefully inspect each design before packaging.
After weaving, the mats are cut into perfect sizes. Each prayer mat is folded and prepared for shipping. This factory also produces tasbih beads used for remembrance of Allah. Small beads are shaped with precision. Many tasbih are assembled by skilled workers. Each tasbih is packed carefully. In another area, workers stitch traditional Islamic caps. Every stitch is done with attention to detail. Soon, the table fills with finished products.